What's going on here?
Fine, babe.
Banana Island, straight. Yeah? Come and sit down, come and sit
Babe,
down.
hold on. Meet my friend.
I get it.
Why do you carry your friend come now?
Babe, she was bored at home, so I decided to bring her over.
But you know this is our first date.
That's why I brought her, because I don't know how this country is. For security reasons, so what if anything can happen?
Okay.
Security reason. Yeah, I was a bouncer now. Ha! You brought bouncer. Alright. Now come and sit down. Perfect. You know say bouncer no drink, you know enter your car.
Babe, what's going on here?
You say she be bouncer. She the security post now.
Oh my.
So bring number 2 of that level for my baby girl. Eh? Asa. You look better in real life, oh.